Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bhumneseti. Today we'll see one of the Snowflake interview question that is, so does cloning require computation power or not? So does cloning uses virtual warehouse or not? We'll see the same thing in detail. This is one of the question asked recently. One second. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail. So when you're doing in task, first to try to create a database. So DBT, development database. So create one schema. Step by step, we need to work. So dev schema. It's a development database, development schema. Let me create one simple table. So create table, something like EMPT, ID, number with single column. I'm trying to create the table. Okay. So let me insert few records. Insert into EMP table values 1, 2, 3. So 3 records are okay. So far good. Okay. Now what's the requirement? So we want to say whether this guy nothing but what cloning requires computation power or not. Okay. See the same thing. Now see how many records are there. If you see here, they're totally 3 records are there one side. Okay, so 3 records are available. Okay. So before that, let me use CTAS concept. CTAS. So create table EMPTs CTAS as select star from our main table. See the main table. Okay, see control V. Okay, control 1 second. So let me try with CTAS. So create a table EMPT. So this is the CTAS concept. So put the semicolon, try to see. Okay. Now what happened? See the same thing. So table has been successfully created. So see what happened. Click on 3 dots, view query profile. So when you see the view query profile, what happened? See in the query details, we can able to see warehouse size is available. I'm using compute warehouse. So 3x extra large. So in the sense like what? CTAS require computation power. Nothing but CTAS uses virtual warehouse to do this operation. Now same thing. Now what happened? Let me come to the same functionality. Okay, let me see the cloning concept. So you need to first understand the syntax. What is syntax for cloning? Create table, new table. We should use the clone keyword, old table. Okay, so this is normal thing. Okay, now create table name. What's our table name? So see, you can give any table. So EMPT clone old table. What is the old table? EMPT. Okay, so control V, control enter. Okay, now where we can see now again for every statement, Snowflake is generating a query ID. Click on 3 dots, view query profile. Now see in the query details what happened. So okay, see warehouse is not available and the size is not available. So by this what we can say like okay, so we can say what cloning doesn't require computation power or no need of virtual warehouse. So this is by seeing the UI. Suppose you are logged into SnowSQL. Now how can you say in the SnowSQL CLI? So UI will not be there. Then how can you say? So copy the query ID. Okay, we are copying the query ID. So go to the worksheet. So we need to go for what? Go for query history. Okay, see, select. So UI you can say, but what happened? I have logged into SnowSQL CLI. So this is not possible. For this purpose, what we should go for? Select star from table. So information schema. So information schema dot query history. Okay, see query history. Okay. Control enter, control. Okay, so this is so far good. Now copy the query ID. So where? So we can put the query ID in. Okay, so control. Okay, now see the same thing. Now what happened? So see query ID, query text. Okay, see the same thing. Now what happened if you see warehouse name and warehouse size. Now see the warehouse size, what happened? So put, now see what happened, warehouse size is blank. So let me go to the previous thing. Okay, so let me go to the query history. You should know the navigation part. Let me go to the CTAS concept. CTAS, this is the CTAS query. Okay, scroll a bit down now. So this is the CTAS query. and copy the query ID. Okay, go to the projects, SQL worksheet. Now we are putting separately side by side. Okay, see, comma, control. Now see what happened. So see, one is using, this is, see the same thing. This is CTAS concept, this is clone concept. CTAS require computation power, that's why warehouse size is available here. It is a null. So by using UI, we can say, but what happens sometimes, I don't want to, we are logging to CLI. So for this purpose, what we need to go for, what concept? Go for information schema dot query history, pass the query ID, warehouse size is blank, nothing but, so cloning doesn't require computation power. See one more time. So by seeing this query, we can say what? Cloning doesn't require computation cost. Okay, so got the point. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.